Hello, everyone. You're watching William's Family Review channel. I'm Michael. Today I'm going to review a software, Autodesk Advanced Studio. This video is more focused on introduction and not a tutorial. In the first part, I'm going to show you guys how to make a 3D model in this software. And after that, the second part, we can focus on how to generate documentation from the model you created. Let's start. First of all, what is Advanced Studio? What about it? Advanced Studio is a typical BIM software, which means a building information modeling software. You can put information in 3D model. So first of all, you need to create a 3D model in your master file, and then after that, you can generate a BOM or even the shop drawings from the model you created. You also have the function to connect with Revit or Navisworks, such as and so on, some other softwares to get more functions. If you want to go further, you even can generate a CNC file and send to your CNC machine. Let the machine create the parts for you. Next step, I will show you guys how to model in Advanced Studio. At the beginning, I have to show you guys in case someone really interested in a bayline. You can create a baylines here, and of course you can change it, parametric change your bayline. Okay, it's nothing new. But I know probably it's really important to someone if someone really interested. Here is the model. A little cute, beautiful structure. If you zoom in, you can see there's some details, right? But how about the bar? The bar looks just like a square bar, right? Really simple. Not really. If you really, for example, okay, let's cancel it. Okay, if you really look into it, change the display type, we'll see, so it looks different, right? Also here, you'll see, oh, that's a different glazing cap. Yes, that's a real look. That's exactly the shape of the bar. So that means you have your accuracy, because the software will generate the data from the real shape of the parts, and not just simply a square. Why they have the simplified profile looking? Because when you try to generate your shop drawing or your other drawings, engineering drawing, for example, you need some clean, neat drawing. You don't want there's thousands of complicated lines there. That's a reason. And next one, we can take a look. How can you typically get your extrusion? You get your 3D model just same as other software. You first of all, you need some 2D sketch. There's a library. There's a lot of big steel libraries. You also can create something by yourself, even not steel, like aluminum or even the wood, right? So here I just pick one and give the third dimension. Then you get your 3D solid extrusion. Okay, and again you can, after that you still can choose for example, choose something you created. Okay, such as the 1x2 angle, right? Or even some like an interrupter. Same thing, different looking. Okay. Simple, neat. And also, the good thing is this software also comes with some macro functions. Right now, I'm going to create just a gable frame. So right now I just give a roughly really just show you guys idea. So that's really big. But anyway, so gable frame, that's gable frame, and you can change a section from here. So gable post size, and you can change column size, and there's lots of different settings, such as a span too small, I want bigger, like 10 feet, right? You can see here it's dynamically changing. And also you can change the slope, right? The height, whatever you want, change. And right now I'm going to change our base size. So see, you can see here you get more. And here's a number you can control. So basically totally parametric control. It's a smart modeling. It's not just like a vanilla AutoCAD 3D. That's a dumb 3D solid. This one is smarter. Okay. After we create those cute structure here, I want to generate some documentation from the model, such as a BOM. Or we can call that a cut list. That's very important for your fabrication, right? So you click the BOM template, and the template come out. Okay. Here's what I create. There's a zCAD list, and then you will get this. You can tell I put test for the header. There's also everything, basically everything in the table you can modify. Here's a column for the quantity. You get quantities. Here's a description, but you can change to, for example, parts name. Get ridge, cap, bar, whatever. There's a length, the saw length actually. Here's a grade. And 12, here's different material I put. The 3 of them, I only change 3 of them to aluminum 6063 T6, and you will get different weight because of different materials. Here also cut angles. Simply just put 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because if you go 2-dimensional, you have X and Y, but you have a positive and negative, so total is 4 directions. That's showing the angle different. Okay. At the end of the table, you also have some total quantity, total weight. Probably that's good for good information for you consider about logistic. Here's a BOM, and it's not only BOM you can generate. You also can generate some drawings, such as like elevations. If I choose this one, I will generate some elevation drawings. Will just look like this. You can tell they automatically give you the elevation of the gable frame, and also the already some labels there. Give it the part labels, and they try to orientate it with the part. But if you don't like that orientated, such as this one, you can modify that. You can just drag it. If you need a leader, simply you go there, show lines, show leaders, right? So right now you have your callout. Okay. You also can predefine the template or the style of the drawing you try to generate. You probably can get a better result than this. This one just come with the software. You can do better. Also, there's another type of drawing. We call that assemblies drawings. Basically, give you the whole parts, dimension, everything just automatically generate. Those dimension is automation. I didn't manually add it. It's different like this one. If this one I want to give some like dimension, I can manually add by myself. Yeah, but that one is different. This one is from the style they set up. Of course, you can change the style. You can optimize the template, make some of the dimension more meaningful. But better than none. Here also the banners. They give you the BOM. It's different to the report I just generated. This one is inside of the drawing, but show the same information, same ideas. Which one you like? The drawings with a BOM like this, or just simply a report of the car list. It's up to you. Okay, there's lots of choice options, and so basically that's about this software. And someone may be curious if this 3D model can convert with to the 3D solids, just regular 3D solids. The answer is yes. Look, this one, I transferred that to 3D solids and created a 3D PDF by Bentley we use, which just part of MicroStation. In this PDF, you can see some detail. You can send just your clients. You can do just simply drag and rotate. You can see more details. It's easily to communicate with your clients or other contractors, because they don't need to install some fancy software. They just need a PDF, even the free PDF reader. So it's easy modeling, easy to model, and I believe if you have a background of using AutoCAD, that would be a really short learning curve for you. Also, for the I did a research for the license fee, the price. It's much cheaper than the similar software in the market now. And after that, I guess that's today's our video. But at last but not least, I'm going to talk about some rumor about myself. They say Michael is not a well-organized person. I think that's totally not true. It's nothing true. I was surprised. What are you talking about, right? Look at if you really look closely, I'm really organized. I can find the information I want. But I understand why people think about me like that way. But if you really want to use the term, I don't think that should be not organized. That probably, how about like dynamic equilibrium? Yeah, is it that word?
Dynamic equilibrium.
Oh, dynamic equilibrium, right? It's a dynamic balance. Nothing is permanent, impermanent. The whole universe is impermanent, and that's a reason we keep going. All right. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, please send to me. If you like the video, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.